Start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is most merciful and beneficial. Honorable Sir, respected judges and dear fellows, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm glad to join you on the day of independence. Today is a day when Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being. Every year, this day is celebrated as the Independence Day of Pakistan. Today is a very important day because at that day we got independence in 1947. According to English calendar, it was the day of 14 August, while in Islamic calendar, it was the day of 27 of Ramadan, when we got independence. Every year, this day is celebrated with a great assassination, and everyone paid tributes to the freedom fighters who had sacrificed their life just to free the motherland. हमारा खून भी शामिल है तज़य्युन-ए गुलिस्तां में, हमारा खून भी शामिल है तज़य्युन-ए गुलिस्तां में, हमें भी याद कर लेना चमन में जब बहार आए. Ladies and gentlemen, now there is a question why the people of that era were so anxious about this holy land. The answer is that their simplicity and the love for each other. They do not was selfish and greedy like a man of modern age. Wealthy people used to distribute their money to the poor, and that's what Islam is all about. We have to develop a system of justice and equality so that we can act upon on Qaid says justice, faith and discipline. The value of independence is very high. Look at you around you. You are independent. The value of independence is well known by the Kashmiris, occupied Jammu and Kashmir. India is showing brutality, violating the human rights and turned the valley into the living prison. I want to dedicate some word to the Indians. भारत तेरे हाथ में वो लकीर नहीं है, भारत तेरे हाथ में वो लकीर नहीं है, कश्मीर तेरे बाप की जागीर नहीं है. The days are the darkest days for the valleys. The days are toughest days. The darkest day for the millions of the family throughout the state. The toughest day for the father who have to shoulder the coffin of their young chaos. The darkest day for the mother who have to see the dead bodies of their children covered with dust and dirt and sweat and blood, but still they are rising the slogan, Kashmir banega Pakistan, Kashmir banega Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to work for our prosperity of our country. We have to work for the justice. In Islam, justice and equality is explained by these words. The life of a king should be equal to life of a common man. I will dedicate these words as a youth of my country. ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरता यूं ही फल झोली में, ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरता यूं ही फल झोली में, वक्त की शाख को मेरे दोस्त हिलाना होगा, वक्त की शाख को मेरे दोस्त हिलाना होगा. कुछ नहीं होगा यूं अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से, कुछ नहीं होगा यूं अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से, अपने हिस्से का दिया खुद ही जलाना होगा, अपना हिस्से का दिया खुद ही जलाना होगा. In the last of my speech, I will dedicate these words to all of those freedom fighters who had sacrificed their life just as a cost of our freedom. I will rest my speech by giving the tribute to Pakistan Army. Just because of them, we are enjoying our independence. ऐ राहे हक के शहीदों, वफा की तस्वीरों, ऐ राहे हक के शहीदों, वफा की तस्वीरों, तुम्हें वतन की फ़िज़ाएं सलाम कहती हैं, तुम्हें वतन की फ़िज़ाएं सलाम.